Special note out there to all the dads, even if your child happens to have 4 legs and 2 floppy furry ears. Happy Father's Day. It's a special day for all of us. If you had an opportunity to spend time with your dad, please do that. If you can't be with him, at least make a call and tell him how special he is. I lost my dad 19 years ago, and he was taken from us by cancer. And I remember when he was on his way out there, laying in the bed in the hospital, he said, "Brian, please don't remember me this way." And I'm glad he said that. He gave me an opportunity to say some things. He said something like, "Dad, I won't remember you like this. I'll remember you coming down to the ball field and pitching batting practice, and then walking around with a bucket, helping me pick up all the balls." He worked second shift. He would get home at 2 or 2:30 in the morning sometimes. But if something was in season, fishing season or deer season, he would have us up by 5 o'clock, and we'd be out hunting or fishing. He was that dedicated to his boys. One thing I'll miss is he had a wicked sense of humor. The man did not say much. He didn't tell jokes, but he was definitely that guy you didn't want to look at if you were in a serious situation, because he'd have you cracking up just the way he was looking at you. We were down along Mill Creek one year, opening day of trout season, and it hadn't started yet. We were all waiting for 8 o'clock or whatever time we had to start back then. And it was nice and quiet along the creek. There were people lined up on our left and on our right. And my dad, all of a sudden out of nowhere, starts calling like a crow, loud. And my brother and I were looking at each other, embarrassed, you know. And before you knew it, there were crows squawking all around us. And then they were careening through the woods, coming past us. There was an old guy down the creek from us. He was laughing his ass off. There were people going back to their cars. He just had that kind of sense of humor. I remember when he was 52, he had a stroke. He was in the hospital, and he had a nurse there. It was pretty darn good looking, and I was single at the time, so I was trying to figure out how to break the ice with her, and I was nervous. She looked really distracted. I was trying to talk to her. She turned, she walked out of the room, and I looked at my dad, and there he was. He was 2 knuckles deep up his nose, picking his nose. I'm like, you know, thanks, Dad. That's just the kind of sense of humor he had. He made me the man that I am today, spending all his time out there in the woods with his boys, hunting and fishing. He encouraged us to stay in school and study and, you know, be as smart as we could. That's just the message I have for you guys this day. If you have the opportunity, like I don't anymore, spend time with your dad while you still have him. You're very fortunate. Pick up the phone, give him a call, and remind him all the time how special he is to you. It's something I always did, and something I wish I could still do. So anyway, to all you dads out there, happy Father's Day. Make it a great one. We're all on the same team, guys. Have a great weekend. What do you want?